Do you love ice cream? Imagine making a delicious, healthy, and colorful ice cream at home. So easy and fun. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am making a natural fruit ice cream using watermelon, pineapple, coconut, carrot, grapes, orange, and melon. And the best part, I will be using silicone mousse to make it look amazing. Sometimes making ice cream at home can be messy. Scoping is not always easy and it does not always look nice. But today I will show you how to make perfect ice cream bars without stress. That is why I love silicone mousse. They make ice cream easy to shape. No scoping, just perfect bars or popsicle. Fun and creative. Mix flavor and get beautiful results. Simple to use. Blend, pour, freezing, and enjoy. Taste and make you groove in this kitchen party. You've got nothing to lose. AK Choice with Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. AK Choice with Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Everybody journey, can stay in your seat, in your seat, in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. That drives roll. Cooking with passion, loving every dish. AK Choice for Kitchen's got your every wish. Beats that make you move. Taste and make you groove in this kitchen party. You've got nothing to lose. AK Choice with Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. Come on, good times roll. Sure thing is a little something for you. In that sweet kitchen where the flavors sway. Yeah, okay, Just for Kitchen's got the beats to play. Cooking up the rhythm, spices in the air. Every dish a symphony. Oh, we don't compare. Yeah, AK Just for Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum. Yeah, okay, Just for Kitchen's where the magic comes from. Yeah, every melody's blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, right the way it feels. AK Choice for Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. Cooking with passion, loving every dish. AK Choice for Kitchen's got your every wish. Beats that make you move. Taste that make you groove in this kitchen party. You've got nothing to lose. AK Choice for Kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. In your seat. In your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. That drives roll. Cooking with passion, loving every dish. Hey, AK Choice, we kitchens got your every wish. Beats that make you move, taste that make you groove. In this kitchen party, you've got nothing to lose. AK Choice, we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. Come on, good times roll. Sweet kitchen where the flavors sway. Yeah. Okay, just the kitchen's got the beats to play. Cooking out the rhythm, spices in the air. Every dish a symphony. Oh, we don't compare. Yeah. AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum. Yeah. Okay, just the kitchen's where the magic comes from. Yeah. Every melody's blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, wipe away your fears. AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. Cooking with passion, loving every dish. AK Choice for kitchens, got your every wish. Beats that make you move, taste that make you groove. In this kitchen party, you've got nothing to lose. AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. In your seat. In your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. That drives roll. Cooking with passion.
Now let's see the results. Look at this. My fruity ice cream is ready and it comes out so easily from the mold. It's smooth, fresh and full of natural sweetness. Making ice cream with natural fruit and silicone mold is the best. No artificial flavor, no stress, just pure goodness. If you love this, give me a thumbs up, comment and share. Have you tried making fruit ice cream before? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun recipe. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye.
AK Choice we get you. Feel the Afrobeat. Everybody journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum. Yeah. Okay, just the kitchen's where the magic comes from. Yeah. Every melody's blend, it's a feast for the ears. like a tune, every taste wipe away your fears. AK choice will get you. Feel the